How to humanize ChatGPT text. So I told ChatGPT to write me a 2-paragraph story. Here we go. I'm going to copy this. I'll go to 0GPT. I'm going to show you the AI detection levels. Let's see. Detect text. About 61.14% AI GPT. Even if it's 100%, you can still go ahead and make it 0%. So insert the text on this website. It is called Humanize AI. HumanizeAI.pro. It's completely for free though. Just click on Humanize AI. Then you just have to wait for about 4 to 5 seconds. As you can see right here, I'm going to show it to you live. In about 4 seconds, we will have this turned into 0% AI detected or very close. Okay, paste this right here. And then let's do detect text. Only 10%. So what you can do is you can manually change this. Or you can come here, go to Humanize AI, and paste this. We will humanize only this. And if it's asking you to do more words, you can put something random as well. Doesn't matter. Click on Humanize AI. And then we should have it right here in about a few more seconds. And then we just come and replace this. So the humming here, till notebook, come here. So her days till the stars, right? Her days till stars. Replace that. Click on detect text. 0% AI detected. And that is how, guys, you humanize ChatGPT text.